next we are discussing integration 0 to 1 x power m into 1 minus x to the power n dx. So this one integration we have to do. Okay, so to integrate this one, there are two methods are there. So we'll discuss both the method. So first we are discussing method 1. What is method 1? So in method 1, what you will do, if I take x equal to sine square theta, then what is dx? 2 sine theta into cos theta d theta. Okay, if x is sine square theta, then dx is what? 2 sine theta cos theta d theta. Then this integration will become what? Here you can see this is x limit. So when x is 0, okay, so 0 equal to what? Sine square theta. So from it theta will come out 0. When x is 1, then 1 equal to sine square theta, then theta will come what? Pi by 2. So this integration will become what? 0 to pi by 2. Sine square theta to the power m into 1 minus sine square theta to the power n, and dx value what will come? 2 sine theta cos theta d theta. This will come. So 2 we can take outside. Integration 0 to pi by 2. Here you can see sine square theta to the power m. So what will come here? Sine theta to the power 2m. Okay, into sine theta. So what will come here? Plus 1. 1 minus sine square theta, cos square theta. So this will be what? Cos theta to the power 2n. Okay, into cos theta. So what will come here? 2n plus 1 d theta. This will come. So here we can use Wallis formulas. Okay, 2 into integration 0 to pi by 2 sine theta to the power 2m plus 1 and cos theta to the power 2n plus 1 d theta. So here you can see power is what? Odd. Okay, so if you use Wallis formula, what we can say here? This one we are taking what? I of m comma n. I of m comma n. Here x power m is here, so m comma n we are writing. N is what? 1 minus x to the power n. So this is what? I of m comma n. So what is I of m comma n? 2 is outside. If you use here Wallis formula, what will come? Numerator is what? 2m plus 1. So it will start from what? 2m plus 1 minus 1. So what will come? 2m. So here it will start with 2m. Then we have to decrease 2. So what will come here? 2m minus 2. Then 2m minus 4 till it will go till 2. Similarly 2n plus 1. So what will come here? 2n plus 1 minus 1. So what will come? 2n. So what will come here? 2n. 2n minus 2. And this will also go till 2. Divide by. Denominator what will come? 2m plus 1 plus 2n plus 1. So what will come here? 2m plus 2n plus 2 will come. 2m plus 2n plus 2 will come into 2m plus 2n into 2m plus 2n minus 2 until it will go till 2. And you can see here both are odd power. So into what will come? Into 1 will come. So from here I of m comma n 2. Now from every term if you take 2 common, what will come here? 2 common m, 2 into m minus 1, 2 into m minus 2 and so on. 2 common into 1 will come. Here also we are taking 2 common, what will come? 2 common n will come, 2 common n minus 1 and 2 common 1 will come. Divide by. From denominator also we are taking 2 common. So 2 common if I take, what will come? M plus n plus 1, 2 common m plus n and so on till 2 common 1 will come. So here what will come? I of m comma n. So 2 into. See you can see here how many terms are there? 2m. So m, m minus 1, m minus 2 till 1. So 1 to m how many terms will be there? M terms. So 2 into 2 into 2 how many times we are multiplying? M times. So 2 power what will come? M. See how we will find out 2 power is what? M or what? So you see here 1 and 1 to m is coming. 1 to m. So how many terms will be there? M terms will be there. And 2 we are multiplying times m times only. So what will come? 2 power m. M into m minus 1 into m minus 2 and so on till 1. So this one we can write as a m factorial. Similarly here also 2 is starting from here 2. Okay, n minus 1 and it is going till 1. So how many terms will be there? N terms will be there. So 2 into 2 how many times we are multiplying? N times. So what will come? 2 power n. Okay, and n into n minus 1 till 1, what will come here? N factorial. Divide by. Here you can see m plus n plus 1. Then we have decreased 1, m plus n, till what is going? 1. So how many terms are there? From starting from m plus n plus 1. If you decrease till 1, so how many terms will be there? M plus n plus 1 terms. So here we are multiplying 2 how many times? M plus n plus 1 times. So 2 power what will come? M plus n plus 1. Okay, and this one we can write m plus n plus 1 factorial. Correct? If I divide 6 factorial, so what will come? 6 into 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. So how many times will come? 6 term will come. Similarly, if I decrease m plus n plus 1 till 1, so how many terms will come? M plus n plus 1 term will come. Like 6 factorial, if you expand, what will come? 6 term will come. 6 into 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. Same way here also we can write. So here 2 into 2 power m into 2 power n. So this one we can write what? I of m comma n equal to 2 power what will come? This is what? 1 plus m plus n into m factorial divided by 2 power m plus n plus 1 m plus n plus 1 factorial. So this is getting cancelled. So what is the integration will come? I of m comma n will be what? M factorial plus into n factorial divided by m plus n plus 1 factorial. So what is the integration of this one? We can write directly this one factorial divided by m plus n plus 1 factorial. That's your answer. Method is method 2. In method 2, what you will do? Here we will use by part. So I of m comma n, this one we can integrate by using by part. So how to use by part? So this one we are integrating, this one is differentiating function. So 1 minus x to the power n is as it is. This one integration what will come? X power m plus 1 divided by m plus 1. Limit is what? 0 to 1 minus integration 0 to 1. This one differentiate if you do, so what will come? N into 1 minus x to the power n minus 1. Then 1 minus x differentiate what will come? Minus 1. Because 1 difference what? 0 minus outside x differentiate 1. So what will come? Minus 1. Then integration of x power m is what? X power m plus 1 divided by m plus 1 dx. This will come. So here what will come? I of m comma n equal to, if I put here 1, so this is 0, so everything will be 0, and if you put 0 here, so this is 0, everything will be 0. So what will come here? Minus of minus 1 is what? Plus 1 will come. This is 0, so we are not writing. N divided by m plus 1. So n divided by m plus 1 is outside. Integration 0 to 1. 1 minus x to the power is what? N minus 1, and x power is what? M plus 1 dx. This will come. So this one we can add what? I of m comma n equal to n divided by m plus 1. Okay, this integration 0 to 1, 1 minus x to the power n minus 1, and x power is what? M plus 1 dx. So what we can write here? Okay, so here I of m comma n is what? X power is what? Here, and 1 minus x power is what? Here. So this one we can write what? I of x power is what? M plus 1. So here will come. And 1 minus x power is what? This one. So here will come n minus 1. So this is what? This equation we have to use for solving this integration. So I of m comma n, what we can write? N divided by m plus 1. I of m plus 1 comma n minus 1. That means what will come? This will come in numerator, and in denominator what will do? In this one add 1. So what will come? M plus 1. I of this one as it is, and from numerator you are subtracting n minus 1. So similarly, what is I of m plus 1 comma n minus 1? What will come here? Numerator this will go n minus 1. Denominator what will come? M plus 1 we have to add 1. So what will come? M plus 2. I of what will come? M plus 2 comma n minus 2. This will come. Similarly, if I write I of m plus 2 comma n minus 2. So numerator what will come? N minus 3 divided by m plus, see, n minus 2 is there. So here what will come? N minus 2 will come, sorry. N minus 2, and numerator what will come? M plus 3. I of what will come here? M plus 3 comma n minus 3 will come. Okay, like that we have to continue. So what we can write? I of m comma n. Okay, in detail I am writing. So what will come here? N divided by m plus 1. N divided by m plus 1. Then what will come? I of m plus 1 comma n minus 1. The next term, I of m plus 1 comma n minus 1, what we can write? N minus 1 divided by m plus 2. So here what will come? N minus 1 divided by m plus 2. Okay. Then what will come? I of m plus 2 comma n minus 2. Then what is I of m plus 2 comma n minus 2? See, n minus 2 will come in numerator, m plus 3 in denominator. So what will come? N minus 2 divided by m plus 3. Correct? Then this one we have to write. Now how to write this one? So this will come what? N minus 3 divided by m plus 4. M plus 4. Correct? Now till what it will be continuing. Okay. So here what will come? I of in this one what will come? M plus 4 comma n minus 4 will come. Okay, like that we have to continue. So we have to find out this value. Okay, so how to write? So you can see here numerator what will come? N minus 1, n minus 2, n minus 3. Then here what is coming? N minus 4 is coming. And denominator is m plus 1, m plus 2, m plus 3, m plus 4. And here what is coming? n plus 4. Okay, so we have to continue like that. So what will come here? I of m comma n. Okay, so we are continuing. So this one we are writing n into n minus 1 into n minus 2 into n minus 3 till what we are putting? N minus 1. Okay, so here is what? 3. So we are putting here n minus 1 we are going. Then denominator what will come? M plus 1, m plus 2, m plus 3 till what we have to go? See, this is what? N minus 3, and here is what? M plus 4. Okay, so here what will come? M plus in n minus 1, if you add 1, what will come? N will come. So m plus n it will go. And here what will come? I of this will be what? M plus n, and this will come what? N minus n, 0 will come. Okay, so what will come here? I of m comma n. So this will come what? N into n minus 1 into n minus 2 into n minus 3 till what will go? This one is what? N minus n minus 1, what will come? 1 divide by. Okay, this one we are writing in reverse order. So what will come here? M plus n into m plus n minus 1 till what will go? M plus 3 into m plus 2 into m plus 1. And I of m plus n comma 0. So what is I of m plus n comma 0? So I of m plus n comma 0 we are writing. So this is what? Integration of 0 to 1. Okay, so I of m plus n comma 0. So here x power is what? M plus n, and y power, this one 1 minus x power is what? 0. So here what will come? X power is what? M plus n, and 1 minus x power is what? 0 dx. So 1 minus x power 0 is what? 1. So this one integration what will come? X power m plus n plus 1 divided by m plus n plus 1, limit is 0 to 1. So if I put here 1, so what will come here? 1 divided by m plus n plus 1, and if I put 0 here, so 0 will come. So here I of m plus n comma 0 will be this one will come. Okay, I of m comma n is what? This one divided by this one into I of m plus n comma 0. So I of m plus n comma 0 is what? 1 divided by m plus n plus 1. So here what will come? I of m comma n equal to n into n minus 1 into n minus 2 till 1. So this one we can write n factorial divided by denominator is what? M plus n into m plus n minus 1 till it will go till m plus 3 into m plus 2 into m plus 1. And what is I of m plus n comma 0? 1 divided by m plus n plus 1. This will come. So what we can write this one? I of m comma n equal to n factorial divided by this one we can write what? M plus n plus 1 into m plus n into m plus n minus 1 till what will come? M plus 3 into m plus 2 into m plus 1. This will come. Now here what we can do, here what we are doing, multiply with what, m into m minus 1 into m minus 2 till what, 3 into 2 into 1. This one we are multiplying. So we have to divide also. So what will come, m into m minus 1 into m minus 2 till 3 into 2 into 1. We are dividing. So what will come here, I of m comma n equal to, this is what, n factorial. Now m into m minus 1 into m minus 2 till 3 into 2 into 1, this one we can write m factorial. Denominator you see, m plus n plus 1, then m plus n, then m plus n minus 1, and so on, m plus 3, m plus 2, m plus 1, then m into m minus 1 into m minus 2 till 3 into 2 into 1. So this one we can write what, m plus n plus 1 factorial. So I of m comma n we got n factorial divided by m factorial divided by m plus n plus 1 factorial. This is your answer. This one we have to remember as a result. So integration 0 to 1 x power m into 1 minus x to the power n dx. So this one answer what will come, m factorial into n factorial divided by m plus n plus 1 factorial. So we have to remember as a result. Next we are discussing integration 0 to 1 minus nth root of x to the whole power m dx. So we have to integrate this one. So how to integrate this one? Okay, so first thing is what, this is nth root of m. So from here we have to remove nth root of m. So for that what we are assuming, x equal to, we are taking t power n. So what is the dx? Dx will come what, n into t power n minus 1 dt. This will come. Then this integration will become what, integration. If I put x value 0, so what will come, 0. And if I put x value is what, so t value what will come, 1. 1 minus nth root of t power n to the whole power m, and dx value what will come, n into t power n minus 1 dt will come. So this will come what, integration 0 to 1, this will come what, 1 minus nth root of t power n will come what, t to the power m into n times t power n minus 1 dt. So from here n is outside, this will come integration 0 to 1 t power n minus 1 into 1 minus t power m dt. And this one integration we know. Okay, so this will come what, n equal n into, this one integration what will come, n minus 1 factorial into, this will whole power m, sorry, this is whole power m into m factorial divided by n minus 1 plus m plus 1 factorial. This will come. So this is equal to what, n into n minus 1 factorial, what you can write, n factorial into m factorial divided by what will come, here minus 1 plus 1 getting cancelled, n plus m factorial. This is your answer.